Okay, this is slide 10. Okay, Dylan makes $336 for 32 hours of work, and Angela makes $420 for 42 hours of work. Okay, how much do Dylan and Angela make per hour? Okay, so Dylan, if you want to find his unit rate, when you find a unit rate, you take, if you want to know dollars per hour, okay, you just take the number of dollars divided by the number of hours. So his unit rate, you would take $336 divided by 32 hours, and you can use a calculator link there if you want, if you need to. It's going to be 10.5, so $10.50. And then I'm going to keep the labels, and I'm going to write it as $10.50 per hour. Okay, so that's called unit rate. And Angela, if she makes $420 in 42 hours, and I want to know dollars per hour, I'm going to take the $420 divided by the 42 hours. Okay, and that's going to be 10, exactly $10 per hour. Okay, so those are the unit rates. That's how much they make per hour. Okay, so you want to know, is Dylan's wage proportional to Amber's wage? Okay, so you want to think about that. Another way to think of proportional is it fair? Is it fair that Dylan's getting $10.50 per hour and Angela's making $10 per hour? Okay, so it's not proportional. Okay, because really what you're doing is you're looking at two rates. The $10.50 per hour is a rate. The $10 per hour is a rate. And those are not equal to each other, and that's what proportional means, is that the rates have to be equal to each other. Okay, so this is not proportional. I'll just put their unit rates are not equal to each other. Okay, so to be proportional, the rates have to be equal. So I'll just go ahead, since we're already talking about this on the next slide, this must be slide 11. Okay, you want to find the ratios y to x in both of these data tables, and you want to figure out, are these proportional or not. Okay, so let's look at this table 1. 1 hour, someone's making $75. After 2 hours of work, they've made $120. Okay, after 3 hours of work, they've made $165. After 4, they've made $210. So what we're going to do, we're going to find the ratio dollars per hour. We're going to take dollars divided by hours. 75 divided by 1, 75. And right here, $120 divided by 2 would be $60 per hour. See, 165 divided by 3. I'm using a handheld calculator. $55 per hour. And 210 divided by 4 would be $52.5 per hour. So you want to think about, is that proportional? I don't know. In second table, after an hour, this person's made $45. After 2 hours, 90. After 3 hours, they've made a total of 135. And after 4 hours, they've made 180. Okay, if you take y divided by x every time in this data table, okay, you're going to get the same exact number. Okay, you're getting $45 per hour. Okay, so table 2 is fair. Okay, kind of think fair if you want to. Okay, all the ratios are equal. So table 2 is the proportional data table. Okay, why is it a proportional data table? Because every ratio, y divided by x, y over x, is equal to each other. Okay, so to be proportional, to have a data table that's proportional, every y over x must be equal to each other. I'm going to go ahead and real quickly go over this and let you do the rest, another couple on your own. For a data table to be proportional, this is the biggies. Okay, this is the big ideas. For a data table to be proportional, every ratio y over x must be equal to all the others. And there's a special word for this um, ratio that's always equal. Okay, that's always constant. Okay, constant means it stays the same. Okay, that common ratio is called the constant of proportionality. Okay, it's also called the unit rate when labels are attached. So, I mean, I didn't write it down, but in that last problem, when we talked about 45 and 45 and 45 and 45, that was $45 per hour. This second line would be $45 per hour. Okay, that $45 per hour is a unit rate. Okay. Okay. Keep working on these. Let me know how you're doing.